Another important point to rank higher into search engines is to use some internal links. You have created a lot of posts out there. Now try to use them as an internal link in case of each and every post. That means while you are talking about web design and development, try to put their link that will be directed to another post that you have created previously, and this is known as this internal linking. Search engines always prefer this kind of internal linkings, and in this same context I would like to add that try to provide an external link. That means your social links, those should be followed in over here. Now after you have created your own post, the last thing that is considered is to use all of the header tags once, twice or thrice into your particular post. You know that there are from H1 to H6, there are at least 6 header tags here. Try to use them wisely and tactfully into your post. Try to mix it up. That means you are using header tags, then you are using paragraph tags. That means you have to mix it up. You have to make a bonding among them to create your particular post, and that will be helping you in case of your search engine ranking. And in the last case, increase the density of the focus keyword inside this particular post. This will be increasing your site ranking. So what are the things that we have learned so far? Those are at a glance. The first thing is create an attractive title with some certain focus keywords that we have created over here. This is the web design. This is the focus keyword that we are practically focusing on, and you can see that it is practically reflected into your permalink. So always use a focus keyword into your title. This is the first case. In the next case, try to categorize them into a particular section. As we have created over here this web design and development tutorial, it is practically the main category that is being used over here. And in case of future posts that you have created, try to point them towards the parent category that you have created. As we have told before, if you are talking about HTML, then HTML, it should be the subcategory, but the main or the parent category should be web design and development. The third point is use tags. As we have stated, these tags are very essential in your site ranking into the search engine. The next case is use featured images and other images into your blog post, and all of them should be having a particular alt text or alt tags, and they should be having a title. This is the fourth point. In the fifth point, as we have mentioned, that always try to use the focus keyword in the very first paragraph that you are using, and if it is possible, then in the very first line that you have created into your post. As a sixth point, I would be recommending to increase the site content. The site content should exceed 300 words at a minimum. That means your post content should be having a word count of 300 and more. And the recommended is, as I have suggested before, is at least 600. The seventh one is use internal links. The eighth one is use outbound links or external links. That is leading us to another separate web page, such as you can use your social site links over here. In the ninth case, we have used all the tags, all the text formatting options that are present into your HTML page. That means from H1 to H6 tags, these header tags, and all the paragraph elements that we have created. And in the last case, try to increase the density of focus keyword inside the content of your particular post that you have created over here. So these are the points, those are needed to increase your search engine optimization. And another thing that I need to add here is try to use a particular plugin that will be enabling you to write something as your meta description. You will be needing to install some plugin that will be aiding you to create your own meta description, such that you can use your own keywords as the meta description of your page or of your post. So these are the